Here we go, another camp trip. This weekend, it's my birthday, woohoo! We're going to Lake Pleasant. Andrea's running a race, kids are in school, then they go to gymnastics practice afterwards. And then mom's gonna bring the car, mommy's gonna bring the car up to camp and meet us. We got some running back and forth to do. Caitlin's got soccer practice, or a soccer game, her last one, actually on Saturday. Should be fun. Gotta drive, see ya. All right, that was pretty easy. Usually I have a helper. Guy next door, Pete, help me. We're nice and level. We got water and electrical. So let's hook it up, baby. Today is Lake Day. Sup? Dude, I swear, I feel like Arnold Schwarzenegger, like in Commando. Remember that? Let's do it. All right, let's go. Sup?
Sup?
Now I gotta go get Emily and the other stuff. Caitlin, you good?
Yeah.
All right, don't go in the water.
What?
Hang out right there. Sup? Here we are on Lake Pleasant. Tomorrow's my birthday, woohoo! See ya. Someone's having a party over there. Land ahoy! Well, this is interesting. Last time we were here, we drove the truck down this little island and parked right there. But luckily, there's been a lot of rainfall, so this lake's pretty filled up. So we docked and now we're waiting for Caitlin. Ready? All right, let's go. Look at that, we found Grammy. She's right there. And we're right over there. Yummy, yummy. This is for Emily. I'm gonna bike it over to Grammy's camp. Hey! All right, I made it.
We're at Lake Pleasant, baby.
Look, the doggies found each other. That was fun. Got to hang out with Grammy, huh? Aw. Okay. Woo!
That way. Hey.
Do it. Get up that hill. Cheater. Here we go. Here we go. Off to a soccer game. Last for the season, baby. Someone left me a surprise. It's Pops. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite cereal. Nice. Thanks, Mommy. All right, you guys ready? Just call me the ball helper. Here we go. Oh, my shoe came off. That was terrible. Go, go, go! Get it in there!
Sup? It's hot out here.
Yeah, good job. Let's head back. Andrea is gonna do some shopping. Get us some birthday steaks. Yummy, yummy.
Hello, darling.
All right, give me the keys. Me and Caitlin are sharing a sup. Mommy and Emily are sharing the inflatable canoe. We lost one of the sups yesterday. I think we had it in the sun too long today and the seam burst. But for now, sup!
Sup?
Yep, taking a quick break. We gotta catch up to Mommy. She's way out there.
Ahoy, matey.
We're taking a break on this island. Usually when the lake's low, it's not an island, there's a road. Yesterday, the girls and I were over there, hanging out at the lake. Sup? Hang on tight. Woo! All right.
Left, right, left. Ahoy, matey. Left.
Go, man.
Left.
Oh, hey there. Where are you going?
I am running a 13K trail race at Lake Pleasant today. It's called the Dam Run.
See ya. Good luck. Time to go get Mommy at the finish line. Let's go. Get to the finish line. Caution, runners ahead. Oh, he got lucky.
Woo! Yeah. You better get down to the dam.
Damn! We got mommy. Here we go.
We get a picture too, gentlemen. We got Presley. Do we have the other two?
You're supposed to be sharing. Check this out. Someone's got a Starlink out. Ha! Whatever gets you internet, huh? We got one. Why not? That guy needs to do a propane conversion, huh? We got to see mommy finish. Now we're off to the Discovery Center. Kids are gonna play on the playground. Maybe me too. Daddy's turn to hit this Gila monster. Oh, man, those rollers on your butt. This time we're surfing. Cowabunga! Whoa!
Sup?
Sup? I didn't have anything planned, but after the race, now we're gonna go on the lake. Sup?
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 Also, good job, mommy.
Woo!
Run really fast. 8 miles.
Well, it was a 13K. It's trail running, so it's in K.
13. Come on.
13.
K. Sup?
Plan B. Plan B. So our friends are done. And people are driving crazy in their boats over here. So we're gonna go back over there by the trailer. And
Yeah, we were just there.
yeah.
But at least we checked it out. It's cool here. Come here if you want to be crazy. We don't want to be crazy. So we're gonna go be crazy or not crazy at our section. Say my name.
Say my name, say my name.
Hey, Lizzie.
What's up it?
Sup? You look strong. Look at you. Running races, lifting sups. Sup? Sup?
Ow!
Oh,
Nada.
oh, it's like a shark fin. Okay, I'm getting in. Away from the rocks. Go push, push, push. Ah! All right, I'm gonna make Emily do all the work this time, yeah? Oh, we're drifting. Emily left. We need 2 left. We're drifting. Emily, where are you? Emily! Ah! Sup? Mommy's standing up now. Right! Left! Oh no, that's too deep. Look who I got for the helper. I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh my god! Woo!
How's my hair? That was weak. That was weak. The last one was better. It did, like, I think it made it all the way across like George Washington did. Remember the river, the story that you hear in school? I did that. I hit that guy's RV. Time to go, time to go. I'll be back with the truck. I'm packing up. As you saw earlier, mommy and the kids left, they had school. So it's up to me to pack this up and get out of here. So thanks for watching. Birthday weekend, soccer, races. See you guys next time.